of course, you got Mr. Mayor Cowboy Eddie supervising the entire job. Eddie, mighty fine supervisor. Right, folks, so over in this area, we have them getting ready to take the gas lines off the house and everything, so they can get ready to tear the old girl down. All right, folk. Well, was going to head to the storage today. However, with all that construction we had out here, I said the heck with it. Also got a bit of laundry done, which was cool. So I figured while I was getting laundry done, I just sorted some things out in here that I think are going to go into storage and try to figure out some of the stuff when I get there that I'm going to take out of storage and either give away, throw away, or try to make some money. But also, we got a new carbon monoxide detector, which is pretty cool. I guess I should have had this at the beginning of winter instead of the end, but hey, better late than never. So now we got this, don't have to worry about that. And honestly, that's pretty much about it. I just made a couple more burritos, had some burritos, and I'm waiting for a little bit more laundry to come. Then I get all fresh linens, so get my bed made back up and hopefully have a nice clean bed for a day or two before somebody destroys it again. This guy. I swear, he gets so much mud and so much dirt all over my bed. It's unbelievable. But anyways, that's it for now. Catch you guys later. So, all right, folk. Well, it looks like that's going to be about it. I got all my laundry in. It's been a nice day today. Everybody kind of hung out. It was kind of rainy this morning, so it's still wet and nasty out. Some mud out here. But other than that, it was a pretty good day. We've got some high 40s and some 50s coming. Saturday's going to kind of suck because it's at like 38 during the day, but it's going to drop to teens at night. So after this weekend, boom, we're up to the 50s and 30s and 40s at night for a couple days anyways. So not too shabby. But anyways, I think I'm going to climb in the old vanitarium here and hang out with old Butchie boy and call it a day. So until next time, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.